Na children dey scam, not me.
Hello everybody, today I bring peace, calm and our beautiful sister Nello Okeke to this my channel today. I'm sorry this my video come late. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time coming across this my channel, do well to join this beautiful family. All my returning, I'm loyal, I'm humble. Thank you all for always stopping by to support this girl. Congratulations to us, we just hit 2,000 subscribers today. Thank you all, you all, my genuine subscriber, my genuine supporter, my mommies, my daddies, my auntie, my everybody. I appreciate every one of you. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Thank you for always watching my video, for giving me thumbs up, for leaving your opinion, your peaceful opinion. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Today I need to congratulate my beautiful sister Nello Okeke. Yes, our whitey, sister, our colleague, when she just launched her house. If you never congratulate her, do well to congratulate her. Go to her channel, go watch the video. That's it. All time now, today I'm supposed to dance to celebrate my 2K, but the vibe is not there. Then what to do is to sit down and celebrate myself, celebrate my beautiful colleague. Yes, six and Nello when just hit when just when they just new back to their new house. Congratulations, is Nello. Thank God for your new achievement. Yes, so that is for our sister Nello. Then our beautiful sister, come here, please, Tam. You catch me. I can say you catch me. I can say you catch. In fact, you catch all your subscribers. You catch us red-handed. But me, I be react on that your particular video. The video say this at my studio. Behold, when I did, I say that man when they are abroad, a lot of things they take place. I need to do the thumbnail. I'd already filmed the video, put it for my studio. If it take some, point inside, I'll add and join this particular video when they do so. Get belle without no man for house. Man, when you date, I look you like a sharp girl. I look you like other man say wait, me I do not go school, but I look you like sharp girl. Sharp girl not mean say you must go school. You understand now? You go supposed to know the man. This man like you. This man send you. This man, no matter what he come out, this man go chest down. You not study those things before you they open your purpose for the man. Yes, it happens. Some people they get belle, they still they see. They see their flower. They happen. It's happen. So you know, if you tell me say now this guy just break that side, not being breaker. You don't they do before. You don't they do. I'm sorry, I just talk my own. That's why I said you want the pregnancy, and you in fact you was expecting this pregnant, because not only this they do. You don't they do before. All those are not enter. Why this one? To show say the day in the need, maybe now the guy no, never dey in the need, but you are not a single mother. You tell you say no, na God that do the do he go need to stand to do father. Na olden days for me, he go stand to do father. E dey happen for Nigeria, e dey happen for abroad. Na how you take know the ground, you understand? Because if you take care of this pregnancy finish now, you do everything, because pregnancy not really easy, my dear sister. Only you want those money sick, all those everything, only you want to come face, and at the end the pikin go come become superstar tomorrow, become president, become governor, become one thing in future. This papa will come carry face come outside, go say it's my child. For me, take the normal no be my mouth for here, but just take the normal way, so that make that guy stand to be a father. Yes, not only you want just okay, I dey earn money for YouTube, my business is there, this one is there, let me chest am. There will be a time when you need am. If you just from here neglect am, in a case you reject am, if you just from here just tackle am once, okay, I dey disappoint or I no dey disappoint. For me, if you are my junior sister, my hope, me I no be your family member, and you still get your life to live. If I will be your family member, for me watching you, distance, see your family, see everything, I want just try to tell you, my mind was, oh, Piston will change this family. Yes, for me, I be the look say now you go change the shape of your family. Where giving birth, dey stop anything, but there will be a lot of, it will not be like when you dey single. You understand? When senior not fit do something, last born dey change family history. You know that. At least YouTube come outside, a lot of favor, surround your table. When me they look say, Piston go fit do this thing. I no fit lie you, my beautiful sister. That is the eye I wanted to look you before. Say, Piston go do this. Piston go do this for his mother, for his family. Piston go change the narrative of her family. But behold, child now blessing. As you still, get this child, I pray make this child be a open door. Some children when you give birth, blessing go just come. Me, if the guy stand by you, say you, I love you, I do this one, For me, I look you like sharp girl. You fall my hand big time, my beautiful sister. I'm sorry. You fall my hand. Yeah, you fall my. Shall be told. You need this. No be because of you. Because yes, me I still drop my opinion when I say you get belle. Though as the other man I tell you congratulations, but you will hear the particular part wetin I talk your first video, but I not going to publication. I just leave am. But my main reason I want to do this video, I watch your live stream when you do yesterday. That live stream you dey insult children. Please, if you are not a mother now, you will be a mother one day. Okay, e no good you dey insult children. Okay, children, husband, make we take am out of YouTube street. Make we take am out. If person talk to you, talk to the person direct. No insult person children. No, 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 no. As I watch that live stream, because I did with our sister went to monetization party yesterday, and her birthday we celebrate with her. I don't even know say you dey do live stream. Then after that day, I need to watch that your live stream. I watch am from the beginning to the end. Your people climb up, they tell you they insult children, and that is true. That is the main purpose of me doing this video. And secondly, as you talk to your subscriber, good. Don't let me provoke you, so that you don't know who be your real loyal subscriber, who really love you, who I don't know how to put it. No use pepper body to throw away wetin God go use to bless you. You don't know who dey there, who God want use to bless you. You don't know. As you dey shout yesterday for your live stream, me anybody not gift me again. No, anybody when go gift you, open door and take it. The only part where I not like it's taxi people. When you know say you are comfortable, you can afford it. Why taxi people? Why asking people? But if people read you their genuine love to support you, no problem, accept it. If they later come after you, tell them should go and bring the proof where you for. Ask them. President they collect gift, vice president they collect gift, superstar they collect gift. Why you, when they try to make things change for your family? No, not let any name when anybody call you, including any name when I call you. So far between you and your God and your mind, you not get you get that name. This man, there is power. When they refer something to you and say you not be, you can return it back, or not be me. That when you sit down for your China, they tell I don't need help again. What of the day when you will really need help? What of nobody is above? President can need help today. Governor can need help. Talk of you normal. Don't let your temper or anything to make you tell your subscriber I don't need. No, people when they read they make am for this street, they see they do am. Talk of you. People those people when I do their video for Kenya, they sit down for their channel, they say donate for me, donate. You dey hear them now. They tell them person like me, they tell them say not good. Why you go dey tell person make donate for you when you dey earn revenue? You dey earn revenue. Let people use their mind to donate for you. Let people use their mind to gift you. Stop putting pressure on the people. That is the only part I say. Let me tell you, because I don't feel go. I be content creator. If I put your thumbnail, I know say you will watch am. And secondly, about a prank, when you prank us, when you say some of us, we see and say some of us. Oh Jesus, I don't even use mic. I just feel and pray make get voice. Some of us, we they talk say why you go prank us. Prank no they get part 1, prank no they get part 2. Me the Naija daughter when they talk for here, so I don't first do that prank about I'm pregnant. For me, how I say that your prank, you catch ups. Yes, I know if you sit down for here, so Piston, why you do that prank? If you can't tell me, say now depend of how your prank will take, last. Like Odogwu and Aisha, me personal, I sit down, I do that video, tell them people say now prank. If now have prank, me I go make my own revenue for inside. If no be prank, then make they collect sense. If na prank, person when go wear that shoe. If you hear this kind of thing, you go, reaction mean you give people your opinion. You give people advice, not be to insult people. We don't have right to insult anybody on this street. If person insults you, you have right to give that person back. You prank your subscriber and you catch us red-handed. For me, I don't see anything. My reaction about that video, I not just one publication. The reaction be me say, if not true, say your boyfriend when he pregnant you, he run. I'll put as I talk. You need to take you need to take action. You need to take action. You don't need to leave that your guy just today like that. They only you on the sufferer. He need to stand as a father. That is my reaction. And I did disappoint, but I don't feel say I did disappoint because I not be your family member. But I be look you like say, oh, you go change the video. I'll try. May I put some, voice, my reaction towards you. I wish your reaction, that is your prank, still carry on. As you dey drop the video, we the reactor, we'll still dey create our content out of it if we are interested, and if we are interested, to react on the prank or on wetin you upload for your video, for your channel, we'll react about it. But if we don't want to react about it, we maybe person like me, I don't want to react about, I know still react about it. You understand? For me, you do your prank, you do it well. You hold for me, you hold me no explanation. Yes, people they do prank. People they do prank. Yes, me personally, why they here? So I do prank for a step family. Why I say because I just want, I just want do the prank so that may end. If I want to stretch the prank to any level, I can do it. Why we get China is to create your content, bring content out. You can do prank, man pregnant you. Oh, man just run leave you. Oh, man, now people go there. Oh, this little girl. Oh, people, no, that is prank. But the moment you speak out, I want prank now, I not get belly, but I want just, who go watch you? Who go watch that video? Who go click on that video? Prank is prank. Prank not mean, how you take, do one. So find a prank. If once you open your mouth, then the prank don't finish. But once you not open your mouth, you still continue with your prank. Then you go continue to receive the woto. No, you never receive the woto. You get belle, the man not there with you. Now the man they receive the woto. No be you. You understand? Now the man go they receive woto. How can a man, they there just pregnant this girl, and at the end the run leave and say you don't need that? People go they fair pity for you. Who go gift you if you no want receive the gift because say na prank. Anybody don't tell me say Aisha and Odogu, Aisha receive some gift. Aisha will talk and say that gift when you send for me I don't like, and say what? And those things that now prank they do. You understand? Now prank. But for me, if I stay here and I can't do prank, for me, I not judge Piston. Say she do prank. She do prank and she catch us. The purpose of doing prank is for you to catch your audience. That is the main purpose of doing prank. If you do prank, then your audience catch you. The prank don't get weight. When I see Piston dance with her sister, I rush go there, I watch, I come out silent. Then when one of our sister react about it, Vivian, I congratulate her. Then when she come back and say, oh, I congratulate her too. Because she catch me. That is meaning of prank. I don't feel they here, they blast you, Piston. You know, because as I watched that your live stream yesterday, I see say you they para, you they insult. Yes, you they insult. Please, no insult children. I use God beg you. I be mom. You understand? No insult children. Please. Yes, who talk to you, talk to her back. But no insult children. Remove children out of it. They say, who bets pikin? No, they say, buy thief in the night. If you get pikin, if you say, buy that, amro in the night. You go wait till they break. No insult children. Take children out of it. Keep continuing doing your prank. You catch us. If another one, the one you fit take catch us red-handed, do it. As far you can chest it. We choose what we bring out we choose what we bring out. As far you like and you be adults, keep it up. My people, what do you think about this Piston prank? For me, it catch us. I see nothing wrong on it. She catch us red-handed. Now so prank they be. Then if you want react on it. React on it. Oh, Piston. Man just pregnant her. Oh, man, react. If she bring another one, she still react. According to Piston, she said she tell one person. I don't know how the thing got a leak out. Well, this life, we should be very careful. We should know who we talk to so that your plan go work. We did this social media to make revenue, to make view, to make money, to meet good family, to meet good people. We know they're here to, is to meet good people on the streets. For me, Piston, keep being you, upload your video. If prank they went big pass like this, at first say say you go feed one. Like person like me, I know say I no feed one. Oh, my God, run leave me. I know say I no do one. But I know say I don't first do one. Say I get belle. Go to Esther Family TV. You'll see the prank there. Not be big deal now. Not be big deal. No at all. Not be anything. Piston, the main purpose of me doing this video, please respect your subscriber. Don't let me, use anger to drive your subscriber, talk to your subscriber rudely. Those who even congratulate you, they talk to them. Now, not me well for me. How? According to you, child na gift. Child na real gift. For that my video, I still talk and say, people, they drink concoction. People, a lot of needle, they pass people body. You just open your body, things just happen. And you not be small picking again as me, they see you. You not say be small picking, you not tell me say you be 25. You not be small picking again. You understand? If God bless you, now good thing. But at least make the man stand by you. Make the man be there for you. That's all. Mistake can happen. We not be Jesus Christ when you know it all. But not let anything push you to talk to your subscriber rudely. As I watched that live stream yesterday, your first live stream, that man I come late and I know we still listen to run well because I did office. I not listening to your first live stream well. Now small I listening to. Please don't be rude to your subscriber. Not tell them they gift you. Open door for your gift. So far, no text person for WhatsApp. Oh no. No ask anybody. I see you as a strong woman, girl when they hustle, lady when they hustle. But there will still be a point. Buhari still need help. You understand? I hope you pick one or two things. Please don't ever insult person husband. No insult children. I know so you say they insult your fiancé. We don't have right to insult anybody. Husband, fiancé, children, please. We should take children out of it. Please. Please. Okay, now this one I got to talk. Congratulations to us, Naija Daughter. We just hit 2K. Hey, now nobody we are celebrating. Yes, and secondly, congratulations to our sister Nello. You see why it's good to join hand to hand. That's our sister Nello video. Maybe one day I will resettle down, use and do another video because there is some things I love to pick there. But just because not too much time, our children they house with their holiday, they read the easy. Do two video, film a day, edit and publish and those my young hands, hey, those my Kenyan content, hey, I know they play with them, hey, I know they use and they play, oh, hey, I bet you never give this video thumbs up. What are you waiting for? Now who do you? Now who they pursue? Now who do you like? I will give you thumbs up. Let me see, let me do
nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.